Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today I am going to explain how to do multiplication with fast track method. Let us see how to do the multiplication with fast track method. So here some questions are there. How I am following, just you have to observe clearly. Now 28 into 22. So 28 into 22 means this both units place on you can multiply. So 8 into 2, that is 16. If it is we are getting single digit means you can take 0, you have to add. So 0, 2, 0, 3 like this we need to write. Now here these tens places are equal, here 2 and here 2 means we need to take here 2 into 3 we need to take. So 2 into 3 is 6 and the 16 as it is. So 28 into 22 we are getting 616. 616. Next here, next question, 36 into 34. So 6 into 4 that is 24, that is the units place. Now here 3 and 3 tens place digits are same. So 3 into next number n comma n plus 1, n into n plus 1 we need to do. So 3 into 4, 3 into 4 is 12. So 3 into 4 that is 12 means 36 into 34 we are getting 1224. Next here units place are 7 and 3. These numbers are 57 and 53. So here units place is 7, here units place is 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. Here tens place digits are 5 and 5 means 5 and next number that is 6. 5 into 6 that is 30. So 3021. So 57 into 53 we are getting 3021. Next here 69 into 61. Units place are 9 and 1. 9 ones are 9 means here we are getting single digit. When we are getting single digit you can take 0, you can take 0 9 type you have to write it 0 9. Now here 6 and 6 tens place digits are same. So 6 and the next number is 7. 6 into 7 that is 42. So 69 into 61 we are getting 4209. Now here this number is 83, this is 87. Units digit is 3 and unit digit is 7. 3 into 7 that is 21 and tens place digit is 8 and 8. So 8 and the next digit is 9. So 8 into 9 that is 72. So here 83 into 87 we got it here 7221. So when to apply this method means here note I given sum of units place is 10. So just you have to say here 8 plus 2 that is 10, 6 plus 4 that is 10, 7 plus 3 10, 9 plus 1 10, 3 plus 7 that is also 10. Sum of units place is 10 and the digits are same. So already we now only we discussed sum of units place, here 10, here all like that we are got it. Tens place digits are same. So here 2, 2, 3, 3 like that we can do. So it is the very easiest process. We can take it is less than 5 seconds means it is taking 2 or 3 seconds only. Next one more method it is. So here sum of tens place digits is 10 and units place digits are same. So sum of tens place digits here 6 and here 4. So sum it is taking 10. So sum of tens place digits is 10 and unit place digits are same. So here unit place digits are equal. So now how to do this one? Now you can take 6 into 4. So 6 into 4 that is 24. 24 and what is the units place digit? That is 4. So 4 you can add it. So 24 plus 4 is 28. 28 into now units place one you have to multiply 4 into 4 that is 16. So 64 into 44 we are getting 2816. Next here 55 into 55, units place and tens place, all digits are same. Now here 5 into 5, 25, and the units place digit is 5. So that is we are getting 30, and units place 1, 5 into 5. 5 into 5, that is 25. So 55 into 55, that is 3025 we are getting. So very easiest process, we can do the simple calculations. Now here 1 and here 9. 9 ones are 9, means 0, 9 you can take. So here units place digit is 8. So we are adding, means we are getting 17. Now here units place 1, 8, and here 8. So 8 into 8, that is 64. 18 into 98 we are getting 1764. Next fourth one, 3 into 7. 3 into 7, that is 21. 21 plus unit place digit is 7. 21 plus 7 is 28. And 7 into 7, that is 49. So 37 into 77 we are getting 2849. Now here 29 into 84. 29 into 84. 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. And here unit digit is 9 and 9. 9 nines are 81. So 29 into 81 we are getting 2581. Now one more method, that is multiplication of a given number by 9, 99, 999, so on. It is of the form 10 power n minus 1. So 9 we can write, 10 minus 1 we can write, 99 how we have to write it? 10 square minus 1. 10 square means 100 minus 1 we can write it. Now we can see here, first question, 3895 into 99. So 99 means it is nearer to 100. 100 minus 1, it is 99. 100 in 2 zeros means, so here same as it is number only you can take. Here 2 digits only, 2 nines only there. You can take 2 zeros, you can take extra. Means 389500. And this, what is the number, that one you have to subtract? 5983. So subtracting means here 5, 9 minus 9 0, here 4, 14 minus 8, that is 6, here 8 minus 3, 5, 8, 3. So 3895 into 99 we are getting 385605. That is 385605. Next 4327 into 999. So here 3 nines are there, you can take 3 zeros. So same as it is number only, 4327000. And this number from back side we have to write it, 7, 2, 3, 4. Now you can subtract here 3, 9 minus 2, that is 7, here 9 minus 3 is 6, here 6 minus 4 is 2, 2, 3, 4. So 4327 into 999 we got it, 4322673. This is the multiplication of given number. Next one more, it is 98,725 into 9,999. 4 nines. So 4 nines means we need to take 4 zeros we need to take. So 98,725,0,0,0,0. What is the number? That number you can write from back. 5, 2, 7, 8, 9. Now you can subtract 5. Here 9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 8 1. Here 4 means 14 minus 9 is 5. Here 1 7 8 9. So 98,725 into 99 means 9,999 we got it here. 987151 275 we got it.
One more method, that is
Multiplication of a number by 11, 111 and 1111 etc. It is of the form 10 power n plus 1 means 10 plus 1, 100 plus 1, 1000 plus 1 like that we are getting. So first question it is 6538 into 101. 101 how we have to write it? 100 plus 1. 100 means it is 2 zeros. So what is the number? That number 2 you can take 2 zeros extra. So 653800. So what is the number? That number from back side to you can write 8356. Now you can add 8 3. This is 13066. So we are multiplying with 101. We got it here 6,60,338. So 6,538 into 101, 6,60,338 we got it. Now next one it is 9,836 into 1,001. 1,001, 1,000 plus 1. 1,000 plus 1 means 1,000 and 3 zeros. That 3 zeros we need to take extra. 9, 8, 3, 6, 0, 0, 0. And what is the number? That number you can write from last two. So 6, 3, 8, 9. Now you can add, this is 6, 3, 8, 15, 4, 8, 9. So 9,836 into 1,001 we got it 9845,836. Next, last one it is 4,735 into 11. 11 means 10 plus 1 we need to take. 10 in means it is only 1 0. So 47350. And what is the number? That number from back side to you can write 5374. Now you can add 5. This is 8. So 4,735 into 11 we got it here 52,085. These are simple calculations. Only thing is to do like this, you need practice more and more. When you will practice more and more, you will get the answer within fraction of seconds. I hope you are enjoyed this session and this session is very useful for you. If you need of interesting such videos, then please subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members as much as possible. Don't forget like and comment. We will meet in the next video. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.